Hi class, this is lesson 83 for course 3. It's probability of dependent events. So up till now we've been talking about independent events where the outcomes are not affected by previous events. So like flipping a coin, rolling a number cube, spinning a spinner. What happens on one coin flip does not affect the other one. So in order to find the probability of A and B, so like getting heads on a coin and rolling a 2, you find the probability of A and the probability of B and you multiply them together. And we'll talk about this here in just a minute. Items are replaced, okay? But let's talk about dependent events first. These are events where one event depends upon the other event. So the example is if a bag contains 2 white marbles and 3 blue marbles, what is the probability of selecting 2 blue marbles if selected with replacement and if selected without replacement? So the dependent event is where items are not replaced. And you find the probability of event A under initial conditions and then probability of event B under new conditions, and you multiply those together and that's the probability of A and B. And I'd be willing to bet right now that you're going, I don't understand this, and that's okay. We're going to talk through this. We've done marble problems before where we make a sample space and we select one and then we select another one. That's a replacement situation where we're talking about we're going to draw out, maybe we get a white marble and then we put that marble back in the bag and then we start all over again with the same basic numbers. We still have 5 marbles in the bag. Dependent events would be if we draw a white marble and then we don't put it back in the bag. Okay, so let's just walk through these. So if selected with replacement, that's this, independent events. Independent. And if selected without replacement, this is the dependent. Independent without replacement. What is the probability, if we have 2 white marbles and 3 blue marbles, of getting a blue marble? So the probability of getting a blue marble is 3. We have 3 blue marbles out of 5. What is the probability of getting a blue marble the next time? Now remember, I replaced the blue marble that I got the first time, so it's still 3 out of 5. And when I multiply them, I get the probability of the combined event is 9 out of 25. So the probability that I'm going to get 2 blue marbles, selecting them, one out of the bag and then another one out of the bag, is 9 out of 25 times. Now if I do not replace them, I need to do probability of event A under the initial conditions. So I want a blue marble. So what is the probability of getting a blue marble? It's 3 out of 5 marbles in the bag, right? Well, what is the probability of getting another blue marble? I did not put that blue marble back, so I had 2 white and 3 blue. That was the initial conditions. I still have 2 white marbles, but now I only have 2 blue marbles. That's the new conditions. So what's the probability of getting a blue marble? It's 2 out of, there are only 4 marbles in the bag. So when I multiply this, I get 6 out of 20, which I can reduce 3 out of 10. So without replacement, I will get 2 blue marbles 3 out of every 10 tries. Okay, I know that this can be confusing. Dependent events, you have to remember to take the item out of the bag, I guess. Or I think the problems you'll be getting are like with a deck of cards. and so you have to take them out of the deck. Okay? And that's probability of dependent events. Please let me know if you need help. I'll be glad to give it to you. I guess I'll see you in class.